Hey, Vision Auto Works here, showing some calipers that we refinished and rebuilt. These are Ford Mustang GT500 calipers. Whoa, the sun just came out. We're going to lower this exposure a bit. That a customer sent in. These are originally black. One of the calipers had some damage. Common with these 4-piston or just Brembos and any kind of large big brake caliper. This aluminum caliper to save weight, but a lot of people will strip the bleeder screws or strip the threads in the caliper itself. And this caliper here has our service to fix that issue. So we install an insert with a new bleeder seat and a new bleeder in place. So actually this caliper, both bleeders had that problem, so those were fixed. We also replaced the crossover tubes with brand new. The original ones, I believe this customer pulled them off like a junkyard vehicle, so they were pretty banged up. The lines had some kinks and bends in them, so we decided to replace those as well. And of course we do the seal replacement. So dust boots and piston seals are replaced with brand new. And lastly, these have been refinished in a powder coat finish by our partners here at in South Carolina, Vivid Powder Coating. They do a great job. These are finished in just a typical gloss red, kind of to mimic the factory Brembo red color. And of course, we have all new bleeder valves. The two that were replaced obviously are brand new, and then these the OEM ones were replaced on this caliper here, and new kind of bleeder caps as well. So if you're looking for any powder coating for your calipers or rebuilding or both, you can reach us at visionautoworks.com. Pricing does vary, so just give us a call, send us an email, and with your vehicle information we can get back to you. Once again, good look over these calipers again. They just look super fresh and 100% ready to install out of the box and drive on them.